The camera in your pocket, your smartphone, is lying to you. It tells you that computational photography is enough. It tells you that artificial background blur is the same as real depth. But you know the truth. You've seen the grain in the shadows of your vacation vlogs. You've felt the frustration of a phone that gets too hot to record after 10 minutes in the sun. You've seen the jittery, robotic look of electronic stabilization that ruins a cinematic moment. 4 years, we've been waiting for a device that actually fits the way we live and move. And today, the wait is officially over. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The leaks have cleared, the retail boxes have been spotted in warehouses, and the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just a minor update. It is a declaration of war against the smartphone camera. Think back to 2023. The Pocket 3 changed everything. It gave us that glorious 1-inch sensor and a screen that actually made sense. It became the gold standard for every YouTuber, traveler, and TikToker from New York to Tokyo. But as great as it wasn't perfect. We wanted more. We wanted better tracking. We wanted more battery. And most of all, we wanted a reason to never look at our phone's camera app again. DJI heard us. But they didn't just give us one camera. The biggest shock of 2026 is that DJI is splitting the lineup. We aren't just getting the Pocket 4, we are getting a Pro variant that is about to make professional cinema cameras look unnecessarily bulky. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. The standard Osmo Pocket 4 is sticking with the 1-inch CMOS, but it's not the one you know. This is a newly engineered stacked sensor. Why does stacked matter? Because it's all about the speed of data. In the old days, the sensor had to wait for the processor to catch up. With the Pocket 4, the memory is baked right into the silicon. This allows for a staggering 4K at 120 frames per second, standard. No more choosing between high resolution and high frame rate. You get buttery smooth slow motion in the highest quality possible, making every mundane walk through a city park look like a high-budget travel documentary. But there's a secret feature that DJI hasn't put in the headlines yet. The square sensor. Rumors and supply chain leaks suggest a 13.2 by 13.2 millimeter square format. If you're a social media creator, this is your holy grail. It means the camera captures a massive square of data. When you want to post to YouTube, you export a horizontal 16:9 clip. When you want to post to TikTok or Instagram Reels, you export a vertical 9:16 clip from the same footage with zero loss in quality. No more rotating the gimbal. No more awkward mounting. You just shoot once and dominate every platform. Now, look at the screen. The rotating screen of the Pocket 3 was iconic, but on the Pocket 4, it has evolved. We're looking at a 2-inch OLED that is twice as bright, peaking at 1,500 nits. If you've ever tried to vlog on a beach in Florida or a sunny day in California, you know that glare is the enemy. With this new panel, you can actually see if your face is in focus while the sun is blinding you. But it's the physical controls below that screen that change the game. We are seeing a dedicated zoom rocker and a customizable C button. You no longer have to menu dive to change your ISO or switch to